Welcome to Medvarsity. Here's how to access your enrolled courses. After enrolling, you will receive a welcome email with your login credentials and a URL to access the courses. Click on the URL or visit medvarsity.com. Click the Login button at the top right corner of the page. On the login page, enter your registered phone number or email ID. Click the Send OTP button. You will receive a 6-digit OTP to your registered phone number or email. Enter the OTP and click Login. Congratulations! You now have access to your enrolled courses, which can be found on the My Courses page. For further assistance, you can always refer to the Help and Support section at the bottom of the page. Thank you for choosing Medvarsity. Happy learning!